We, the undersigned, the members of the Provincial Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 14 municipalities for the candidates therein for member Sangguniang Panlalawigan in the election term on May 12, 2025. Attached to and forming part thereof is a statement of votes by municipality garnered by its candidate. Abapo Tami garnered 127,350 votes. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named winning candidate as the duly elected member Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Bohol, 2nd District in the province of Bohol. In witness whereof, we affix our signature and imprint our thumb mark in the province of Bohol this May 13, 2025. Signed, Attorney Eliseo Labarria, Chairman, yours truly, Vice Chairman, and Dr. Luares Faye Puro as Member Secretary. Congratulations.